Hello, people. This is your Abhi, and it's day 44. All right, today was a really hectic one, kind of. I wasn't very into doing any kind of thing, but I was consistent at whatever I was doing, and I did them well, and I'm kind of happy today because everything went fine. So, I've been planning a lot on how I should execute most of my daily tasks, and yes, I've learned a lot from doing so. I've learned that it doesn't always go according to the plan, but you have to make tiny adjustments when that time gap is given between one event and the other, and how exactly you plan it and how beneficial you can make it to yourself is something that I learned today. So, making quick decisions on how you could, uh, you know, shift things because of some kind of disturbance, and yeah, how to execute the planned tasks well is something that I learned today, and I'm really happy about that. I also learned a lot of things from some of my tiny bad experiences, you can say, you know. So, yeah, every day is given to you so that you learn something out of it. That's the that's a universal policy, right? So, yeah, it was great today. So, I was able to handle my emotions carefully, although I wasn't able to completely nag my physical control, I guess. I wasn't really doing that well, but emotionally, well, yes, I did really well, to be honest. So, why I did it is because I kind of felt on the verge of losing my um, self today in the evening, and it was kind of a very tiny traumatic experience, but you know it comes to you so that it teaches you why and how you should handle that situation, and I did manage it, and that gave me a lot of boost in myself, you see. You The thing is, when you are developing yourself, you also have to develop a strong mindset on who you are, what are your emotions, and what external disturbances can possibly um, revert your mindset back into your old self, where you might be a little abusive to yourself, like in your thoughts and etc. So how do you handle those kind of situations is what that uh, small trauma kind of taught me. Yes. So yeah, I made good thought and action analysis. That is, I have come to um, be here and able to think this way because of my past actions and thoughts, right? And if I blame myself for not being able to do a certain task momentarily on my past self, and by doing so, I would basically put my um, you know self at the pedestal again. I didn't want that because I was not on the pedestal actually. I am climbing the stairs, right? I can see a lot of changes. So these kind of disturbances come in middle, and they completely um, put you into that illusion that you haven't changed anywhere or something of that sort. No, you did change. You have shifted from a huge phase to another huge phase, and you would be shifting into another huge phase later in your future, and it might be good or might be bad, but anyways it is developing you. That is what you should try to understand, right? So every day try your best to make sure you are a better person than yesterday, right? That is definitely something we should follow. I feel I do follow, and it's definitely, makes me feel more happier as compared to how I was before. It's really important to be aware of how you're talking to yourself, what you're telling yourself. Um, that inner voice that you spend most of your life with. You have to train it. You have to make it understand the world around you. You should make it understand itself, because it's not very logical. You see, you have to bring in that logic, and tell your emotions and all kinds of stuff. It's great growing up, this way, um, going through a lot of changes, roller coaster of emotions, and understanding how to handle them. It's really great. I feel wonderful. I feel I'm very fortunate to live. Maybe it's drastically polar opposite to how I felt a month ago. You see how time changes. So yeah. Anyways, the thing is, you have to keep yourself and your mindset healthy. Your surroundings can play a huge role, so be aware of them. Um, and I don't know, there are sometimes when you can't be 100% predictable, but you have to try your best to make sure you are aware of what you're doing and you do what you want to, right? And yeah, today I was calm and collected during my traumatic experience. That's one success story. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. And I will meet you in the next one. Thank you for listening.